What's up everyone? Welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Before we begin, make sure to hit the like and subscribe, and then hit the real subscribe button, which is the bell icon. We're posting 4 videos every day, so make sure to check back every single day. We've just hit 20k subscribers, so thank you all so much. Let's get to 30. Check out all the links in the description. Thousands of dollars of free crypto down there, along with signals, COINCALLS, TA, alpha and memes in our private Discord, accessed by signing up to our Patreon. You can also sign up to our brand new Udemy course for serious investors, where we've just released our Basics of Technical Analysis course. This is not financial advice. Welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Let's begin. So we're just taking a look at Bitcoin here, and as we can see, looking as though we are still heading down in this channel. On this daily time frame, you can see quite clearly, as we've said numerous times now, we've been under this resistance for a long time here, rolling down through our Fibonacci levels. You can see here, 0.78 lost, we came down to the 618, lost it, retested as resistance, rolled over, lost the 0.50, came back, retested as resistance, lost the 0.38, we come down to the 0.23 here. We actually tried to roll and lose that as resistance, as support as well, didn't we? But we actually come down, you know, we've got 1, 2, and 3, you could say potentially the bottom of this channel here, down here, somewhere like this. And we've had support, resistance, support, resistance, support. And now, you know, we're coming back up again to retest that resistance in our opinion. You can see we made a series of ranges on the way down as well. One range here, a long range here, another range here. And now we've come down, we've formed another range, haven't we? But the main key difference now is that we're getting horribly oversold here on the daily time frame. The last time we were this oversold, as we said before, was when we had that March 2020 crash, which was a black swan event, by the way. And nothing has actually happened, really, has it? Interest rates are not being hiked, and they're keeping them the same for a good while, which is obviously bullish for the market. The stock market should be recovering over the next few days, in our opinion, as well. And, you know, you've seen Bitcoin here. If you take a look at the hourly time frame, you can get a bit more of an idea of what's been going on. We basically come down into a range like this. We get that overextension where we try to lose a 0.23, but we come down, we retest the bottom of that, the bottom of the channel support as support, strong support here. Instantly get the bounce. We rip through the rate, back up through the range, retest as support here, run up to the top of this overall range that we would say we've formed now. Range, forming between the 0.23 and the 0.38. There you can see 0.38. Overextension of the 0.23, come back in the range, back up to retest the 0.38 there at the Fibonacci. We obviously roll over, get rejected, come back down, find support on, where do we find it? On this smaller range here. The previous range high resistance flipped into support. So potentially we could see ourselves running back up towards the top of the range here. But as we said before, you know, we have retested the bottom of our descending channel now, and we need to retest the resistance at least before we roll again, in our opinion. So what will probably happen is we'll probably chop sideways for a little while longer, maybe inside this range, maybe inside a range like this between these two levels, but at least come up and retest this descending resistance that we've been stuck under ever since the all-time high here. You know, we could come at it maybe at 40k, maybe at 39k, depending on how long it takes to get up there, but eventually this resistance is going to get broken, isn't it? And if we can break it, retest it, along with the Fibonacci level, hopefully we can start, you know, coming up, making higher highs and higher lows, getting back up through our levels pretty smartish. So not that much to say about Bitcoin today. Looking like it has had, you know, a decent rally off the bottom here. A little bit of interest in the market, a little bit of bullish interest because of, you know, those interest rate hikes. They're not happening, but we've got interest rates staying the same, which was one of the main things in the market that I think was causing a lot of fear. Had a little bit of a sell-off from resistance here, and now, you know, just basically looking like we're going to be, you know, most likely chopping it sideways, we'd say, for a while. So before we do short-term price predictions, as we always say, please make sure to go into the description and check out our free Discord. As we said, it's totally free. It takes like 10 seconds to sign up. Please go check it out. We'd really appreciate it if you sign up. We've got so much content dropping in there all the time. The community is absolutely amazing. They've been tipping us off about some amazing projects that we've been getting into recently. We actually got a 50x over the past few days on a project that was recommended in the community, which is absolutely incredible. So make sure you go check it out, get involved in the community. We're offering all kinds of good stuff in the free section. We've got daily news, daily updates on the market, daily technical analysis. We've got memes. We've got the passive income community that are just, you know, basically talking about all kinds of cool stuff. We've got an NFT community as well. And just in general, the community is absolutely fantastic. So go sign up. It takes like 10 seconds. And then if you want to get involved in even more content, you can sign up to our Patreon, help the channel out. You'll get access to alpha, all kinds of coin calls. We've got 10x potential cryptos for 2022, daily signals for Bitcoin and loads more. So go check all of that out. And then with that being said, short-term price predictions here. As we said, if we roll over, the 023 going to be big support at that 34.7k level. Heading to the upside, we want to see ourselves heading up towards that fib level at 39k, up towards that resistance at 40k, and hopefully breaking out and reversing this downtrend we've been in for a long time here. Because you can see, until we break that resistance, we're not going anywhere, are we? We're just going to keep rolling. So we need to break this back test, get back up through our levels like this, and basically reverse the trend that we've been in for a good while now. So basically Bitcoin, you know, it's going sideways, isn't it? On macro time frames, just going sideways here, doing this, doing a bit of this. And, you know, we're looking for that final move to the upside, aren't we? Up towards, you know, that 100k target. That's it, guys. We'd like to thank everyone so much for their support. If you've got any questions or suggestions, please leave them down below, and don't forget to subscribe and then hit the real subscribe button, which is the bell icon, to stay up to date with the 4 videos we post every single day. Make sure to join the Patreon or YouTube membership to support us, as well as getting a ton of benefits. Crypto Maximalists will get access to daily signals, coin calls, alpha on new projects, 10x potential cryptos, and insight into our own personal moves, while Maximalist Gold takes you beyond, giving you a look at our personal portfolio, super low cap gems, and a 100x potential portfolio, and constant access to us personally as a resource. We're constantly in the Discord posting daily and chatting to members, and we'll be hosting giveaways soon, so come join the community rich in value and content. If you're serious about your education, you can also sign up to our newly launched Udemy course, which comes as standard with the Basics of Technical Analysis 10-part course, which details an overview of everything we do on this channel regarding chart theory, with examples and demonstrations. We'll also be adding multiple times a week to 2 other courses on our Udemy, which will be the Market Psychology and Strategies and Crypto Deep Dives and Ratings courses. These will be constantly updated into the future to provide value to the most dedicated of the community to knowledge and learning. We get continuous questions regarding technical analysis, particular cryptocurrencies, and for advice in